We are pleased to show you the 2021 Express Cargo. The Chevy Express Cargo van is ready to handle all of your work tools, carpooling to work, or running the kids to soccer. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, rear-wheel drive, steel wheels, tires front all season, tires rear all season, traction control, backup camera. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.